Welcome to the channel. I'm RJ. My wife and I are retired from the US and have been living in Spain nearly 7 years now. We're currently in Madrid where we're renting a 2-bedroom apartment. Are you curious what a 2-bedroom apartment looks like? Well, here's a quick walkthrough of this apartment. Wait to the end for a look at our monthly expenses. Welcome to our apartment. Nice long hallway. Almost looks like a bowling alley. Okay, first door here is the kitchen. Small galley type area. It's hard to fit 2 people in here, but I mean it's doable. So, refrigerator, not a bad size for European standard, I guess. Freezer down below. Standard wash machine in the kitchen. The Bosch model. Oven, microwave combo by Bele. It's a European company. Dishwasher by Bosch. Of course, like all European kitchens, no garbage disposal. And we have instant hot water, which love that. And something we've never seen in the hundreds of apartments we've rented, a gas electric stovetop. So it covers all bases on how you want to do your cooking. So there's our intimate kitchen. It's a nice pantry. Which actually comes in very handy to of course I have a granny cart. And then next to the pantry is the bathroom. Just a shower. Small. We have a heated towel rack / radiator there. And our shower, which has an excellent shower head on it. Something missing in a lot of apartments that we rent. So that is our small bathroom. So here we got our first bedroom. It's the larger of the 2. Even though it's the larger of the 2, it's still not very large. It's very small. Do have room for a queen size bed. Very snug. It sits right up against the wall. Got a chest of drawers. Got a radiator for heat and a split for air conditioning, which was a requirement when we were looking for an apartment. And which you don't see in a lot of apartments, it did come with a built-in for hanging your clothes, which is nice. And a little outdoor area. It's not used for much, not much room for anything, but it's a place to hang your laundry to dry. So this is bedroom number 1. Turns left here, we're into the main area of the apartment, dining / living room. So this was an unfurnished apartment. So we're officially IKEA owners. All of our furniture is from IKEA. Best part of IKEA, they deliver it. And it's easy to put together. Nice little enclosed balcony. And bedroom number 2. So here's the second bedroom. Quite small, enough room for a twin bed and a chest of drawers. Like the first bedroom, it has a closet, which is quite rare. You got your radiated heat, outdoor window there, and air conditioning. So both bedrooms have air conditioning, which is a rarity. 2 bedrooms, both with air conditioning. So the living room area, here you got your split air conditioning, which was a must in our requirements, and your radiator for heat. A quick look at our monthly costs puts us a bit over 2,200 euros. Of course, groceries and utilities fluctuate month to month. And yes, you do have to file Spanish taxes. We pay taxes on money we get via our retirement sources. As a side note, Spain has an income tax and a wealth tax. Madrid community is exempt from paying this wealth tax, but you still have to file the paperwork. We have a Spanish tax consultant who files for us, so this cost includes his fees. So that's our happy abode. As small as it may be, what do you think? This is city living in Europe. We have become minimalists and don't even think about it anymore. Could you downsize into such a small space? Let us know in the comments below.